Hello, in front of me I've got Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. In this video I'll show you the unboxing of this device. Let's start with taking a look at the box and what can we find here. Firstly, on the front of the box we've got the name of the company and the dash cam. Also it says that this tiny camera supports 1080 pixels with 140-degree lens and also voice control. Right here on the bottom of the box we can find what this box contains. So the package contains Garmin Dash Cam, low profile adhesive mount, dual USB power adapter. Also this camera accepts at least 8 GB micro SD card, which is not included. And for the additional info, we can visit the Garmin.com website. What else we can find on the box? Some more images, serial number, and that's basically it about the box. Let's start with unpacking it. So as you can see, once you've opened the box, we can see the camera itself. Let's take it out. And indeed, it is a very tiny camera with the mount already attached to the camera. We can remove the sticker and then mount it to the front windshield in our car. Let's take a look a bit more on this camera. On the side of it we've got voice control activation button and SD card slot. On the back of this camera we've got the button that perhaps allows us to save current file. And of course right here we've got the micro USB port that allows us to charge the camera. Let's start with unpacking the rest of the box. So we can pull the whole thing out, and also we've got the manuals right here. So let's take a look at them. And now the box is empty. Firstly, let's take a look at the cables. Right here you can find micro USB cable that we can plug into power supply in our car via USB port. And then we've got the second cable, also micro USB, but this time it's a little bit longer. Well, I think this cable allows us to plug it to camera if you want to install it on the back of your car, because this cable is a lot longer, so it can go through the whole car. Also, we've got the adapter to power supply and the next mount. So, these are the accessories that are included in the camera box. Now let's take a look at the manuals. Maybe we can find some info about what this camera offers. Firstly, we've got the installation setup, so we can learn how to install the camera to front windshield, how to install the SD card, and how to connect power supply. As you can see, also we can transfer the data from micro SD to our laptop or PC. As you can see, also we can connect our camera to mobile app. We'll do it in different video. Now let's take a look at the other manual we've got. And basically this book only shows us important safety and product information. And that's basically it about unboxing of the Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.